Hi everyone, are you looking for a good budget mechanical keyboard from Aliexpress? Then you have come to the right place. Here you will find a mechanical keyboard of desired features as per your requirement. I have selected the top 5 best Aliexpress mechanical keyboards for their high percentage selling rate, demand, and customer rating. All the links to the keyboards are in the description, below the video. Subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell, to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews. So let's get started. In at number 5, the keyboard is RGB Mix, Backlit 87 Anti-Ghosting Mechanical Keyboard. It has permanent lighting LED backlight and automatic ventilation and lighting. You choose the second backlight mode. You can according to their preferences. It allows you to enter the game and respiration rate of a great atmosphere. In order to adjust the brightness of the backlight, it has an anti-ghosting technique when a quick response. It can play a plurality of working key games. Improve efficiency, both in the multimedia keys or gaming keys. The combination work 12 can be achieved. The PC gaming keyboard is constructed of metal ABS with plate-mounted mechanical keys and switches that stand up to tough gaming conditions. The 87 keys compact mechanical keyboard design frees up a workspace on your desk without sacrificing performance and comfort during gaming. This keyboard compatible with high quality, long service life and impact wear and do a full panel of metal material. Slim cap design effectively suspends key, which is highly unique over 1 million times. Key half of laser engraving characters do not fade. This computer gaming keyboard for Microsoft Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, Windows Vista, or Windows XP, works well with all major computers brands PC computers and laptops. In at number 4, the keyboard is Skyloong SK 64 Mechanical Keyboard. As a 60% layout compact mechanical keyboard, the SK64 truly takes advantage of each inch to include 4 separate arrow keys for the ultimate experience. Moreover, equipped with Gateron optical switches, it not only ensures durability but also it is hot swappable. Hot swap keyboard allows you to replace it with other optical switches freely without soldering issues. The mainboard is designed with an IP6X dustproof design. No worries about dust or water splash on it. You are totally safe with it. The PBT sublimation keycaps are of high abrasive resistance and oil-proof. You are fully equipped to crush it both at work and in-game. Ergonomics design for long-time use without fatigue. 16 million RGB backlight. With backlighting that is implemented with understated functionality for each key in mind. RGB has never been more elegant than on the SK64. You can also set this kit 16 million color LED to respond to music in musical rhythm mode. You can use the included software to create your own custom lighting scheme. It has Windows plus Mac layout and Type-C interface. Press keys to easily switch between Windows and Mac layout. Detailed Windows plus Mac layout meets the needs of each user to work efficiently. Type-C interface ensures a stable and convenient connection. SK64 is N-key rollover and anti-ghosting. You can register as many keys as you can press at once without missing out on characters in different modes. The onboard flash memory unit can storage configurations to the keyboard offline. In at number 3, the keyboard is Kemove SnowFox 61 Key Mechanical Keyboard. Kemove is a new ID brand, focusing on high quality, sophisticated appearance, and design. Kemove devotes itself to making every keyboard become a practical artwork. Just like this keyboard, 61 keys, minimal layout plus exquisite appearance and powerful functions. Free up more space and give you a richer gaming experience. The function character is engraved on the side of the keycap to avoid wear. This keyboard is pairing with up to 3 devices and switch among them seamlessly. Certified by the Bluetooth Association BQB, stronger stability and connection speed, perfectly compatible with all Bluetooth 5.1. It does work well with Windows, iOS, Mac operating systems, and more devices. It has PBT double-shot curved keycaps. These keycaps guarantee not only a much higher oil resistance and hardness than ABS keycaps, but also ensure the keycaps' light transmission, making them excellent in lighting effects. The curved keycaps also provide you with an extraordinary feeling. Through the powerful software of Kemove, you can personalize functions as you like, customize advanced features and offline macro. The software enables you to arbitrarily remap keys and assign macros or commands to specific key combinations on 4 individual layers. There are 16 million colors, you can customize the lighting effects as you want, much more. And at number 2, the best keyboard is Motospeed K1 wireless mechanical keyboard. It is provided with a wired mode that fully supports the anti-ghosting key, which means you can enjoy all key anti-ghosting. You can also get 19-key anti-ghosting in the wireless mode because the wireless mode supports 19-key anti-ghosting. In the wireless mode, if you keep all the lights on, you will get 60 hours of approximate use time, and you will get 500 hours of approximate use time if you keep the lights off. In 2.4G mode, if you don't press any key for 1 to 2 minutes, it will automatically enter sleep mode. And you can easily wake up this by pressing any key from the keyboard. It will automatically switch to the wired mode when the data cable is connected to the computer. You can only use the player, the previous song, the next song when you use the FN key combination on the Apple computer system. And at number 1, the best keyboard is US Captain Hyper X RGB mechanical keyboard. It is a keyboard that stands out both in appearance and in functionality because it is a full-featured keyboard with RGB backlit. By purchasing this, you will be able to highlight the entire keyboard or individual keys with RGB background, and which can be easily customized with HyperX Ingenuity software. You will have a reliable and stable device to control even the hottest heat of battles. The game mode and N-key extension and its anti-ghost functions allow you to precisely control every click because it is provided with a durable steel frame. It is provided with a 100% anti-ghosting function. It is designed to meet the needs of all users. To do that, it has been provided with dedicated multimedia control switches, an end-to-end USB 2.0 port, quick access buttons, and reliable Cherry 1 keyboards keys. You can also save the adjustments after adjusting the backlight and effects according to your preference. It is also provided with comfortable removable wrist rest with soft touch coating. You will also get special multimedia control buttons, a large volume wheel, shortcut buttons for adjusting brightness, lighting effects, etc. It is also provided with optional gray textured caps and HyperX cap remover. It has the ability to meet everyone's exact needs with its reliable keys.
I hope you enjoy this video. I request you please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to like, comment, and share this video.